Most people think fluency comes from listening. And look, listening helps, but if you've spent the last year absorbing English content like a sponge, and you still freeze the second someone talks to you in real life, that's not a listening problem anymore. That's an output problem. And listening more is not going to fix it. Here are 5 daily habits that will. None of them require a partner, a class, or any app. If you appreciate this type of content, gently tap that like button. Let's get into it. Habit 1. The sports commentator. Narrate your life out loud in English while you do stuff. Making coffee. I'm grabbing the mug. The coffee smells good today. Walking outside. There's a dog. The dog is losing its mind about a pigeon. The pigeon does not care. 5 minutes a day. It sounds ridiculous. It works. Habit 2. The shadow boxer. Find a sentence that's just a little beyond your comfort zone. Even though I was exhausted, I still managed to finish the whole thing and just repeat it. Shower. Commute. Waiting for something to load. You're not memorizing that sentence. You're training your mouth to handle more complex English without freezing. Muscle memory. Same idea. I could end the video right here with just these 2, and you'd be better off than 90% of learners. But stay with me 3 more. Habit 3. The 6-0 second voice memo. Record yourself talking in English every day. Anything. What you did, what you're thinking, a random opinion. Then don't delete it. 3 weeks from now, you'll listen back to today's recording and genuinely not believe how much has changed. That evidence is what keeps you going. Check the description and the pinned comment below for helpful resources on this topic. Habit 4. Steal the voice, not just the words. Find a 20-second clip of a native speaker you actually like. Don't just listen, imitate. The rhythm, the pace, the stress. Same clip, every day, for a week. By day 5, something clicks, and those patterns start feeling less foreign in your own mouth. Habit 5. Kill the middleman. Right now, your brain goes, think in your language, translate, say it in English. That translation step is the bottleneck. Habits 1 through 4, done daily, train your brain to skip it entirely and go straight from thought to English. It takes a few weeks. Then, one day, it just starts happening on its own. 1 habit. Pick one. Start today. And if you want to go deeper on how to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English, I made a video on exactly that. You can find it by clicking right here.